We're here today with Subhash Challa, CEO of SenSen Networks. Subhash, thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Are you able to share some of the background to the business?
Yes, SenSen Networks was spun off from University of Technology, Sydney in 2007. And it was a R&D that happened a few years before that. So me and my students who came up with some breakthroughs at the time in the space of video analysis and sensor analysis and integrating video and other sensors to solve very difficult and challenging problems. IP that was generated in the university at the time became the foundation for the company. So it was eventually spun off with the IP being transferred from the university to the company and was supported by some seed funds that we could raise at the time. Since then, it was a long, hard struggle to go from a seed fund to a public company. And a lot of friends and family came to help. My wife supported a lot. So that kind of kept the company going. And the customers really are the reason why we exist today. So from day one, we always had customer involved with our products and helped build it, helped grow it. Now we are selling globally, but it was thanks to those early customers who were basically delivering us some revenue to complement the bit of funding I could get from the friends. So we kept the company together for as long as it needed to be where we are today.
And what does the product suite consist of?
So the product suite itself is based on a platform we developed over the last decade or so, where it takes video streams from any source like a CCTV camera or a mobile phone camera or anywhere the video is generated in real time and process that video, combine it with other sensors like a GPS or a LiDAR or any other sensors that is measuring something in the real world, and transform that combined data into business insights that a business can use. So people use it to automate a business process or get insights into a business that they otherwise wouldn't have, things like that. So we are currently providing the solution to two markets. One is city councils, largely we call it smart cities, and casinos. And both of them use both for insights as well as automating a business process.
And how does your revenue model work?
In cities and smart city applications, we have products where we have automated parking management and parking enforcement. We also automated asset audits and safety operations. So basically whatever humans were doing which is a repeated activity, not as intelligent as it needs to be, which now computers can learn through the AI and automate the process. So because we are able to reduce the cost of operations for the city and also increase the revenue they make from the availability of the data, we basically charge based on the revenue they are making. So in the parking enforcement solutions, we charge a license fee that is related to the total number of infringements they process. In case of asset audits or sign audits, we charge based on the number of signs we audit. Based on the software, right? So the software is auditing signs, so the charge is per sign audited. So basically we're linking to the value that a customer perceives, not based on whatever software price we come up with. It's truly value-driven pricing, and it makes sense to the customer. It also delivers the highest value we can get for the software.
And in terms of recent milestones?
Since listing in October, we have been able to add Changi Airport as our customer, both for parking operations and safety operations. We have been able to expand on Calgary City opportunity we already had at the time. We signed a 5-year contract with the city, and we are also expanding on the cities that are already working with us, like Brisbane and other cities that they are already engaged with us. They are giving us repeat orders or extending the orders that they have.
And in terms of looking forward, what should investors focus on?
We have been working very hard to take the casino gaming space from first customer crown to a product build, but we are now trying to make that product reach the world. So We have been in discussions with lots of casinos in Macau and Vegas and UK and so on, where we do think that in the next 6 months or so we should start seeing some traction. So that will be a big change in the company to add a new vertical in a substantial way. And we also expect the city council business to continue to grow and increase. If you look at the size of the contracts we have been getting from cities, they have consistently increased over time. Both the value and the type of services we provide. We expect the existing cities to continue to give us new opportunities for the software and new services, but also add new cities, to the portfolio.
Strong pipeline of work, great client relationships, and expanding business globally and revenue focus. Subhash, thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.